Hi Trashion designers. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make rope or string out of a plastic bottle. And I made another video about this, but I was more concerned with trying to make really strong rope out of a bottle. In this one, it's much simpler. We're just going to make some string, which can be used to hold together all parts of your outfit. We've definitely found that some bottles are better than others for making rope. These super thin ones, they're okay, but they're not great. And this one has a lot of ridges in it, which is not going to make it go through the fabrics so easily. This one is super smooth, and it's a little bit heavier plastic. I think I'm going to use this one today. This was an attempt. It was a square bottle of juice, ocean spray juice, and it's pretty strong, but when you unfold it, it's square. So it's not going to go through things really very easily. We want to have a very thin piece of plastic that will be easy to use to sew. I'm going to try and cut this into a 1/4 inch strip. That's about 6 millimeters. It just takes some practice to do it consistently so that you get a strip that is even. I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to make a hole and just start trimming. Once you've made a little cut, I'm going to cut off the top part. And now I'm just going to come in from the side and try to cut an even strip. You have to take your time and you have to watch what you're doing because it has to be consistently even. All right, I'm about halfway done, and you can see how much I've got. Already about a meter, and it's pretty strong. That'll definitely be strong enough to hold the costume together. So I'm going to continue with the rest of the bottle now. Okay, I've reached the bottom of the bottle. I can just trim this off. And look how much string I've got here. That's about 12 feet of string. So I just made about 12 feet of string in about 5 minutes. And this stuff's pretty strong. You can use it as thread. You can use it in so many different ways to hold your costume together. So good luck. And as always, I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks.